Yeah, this is also very important point. What we have to see, avoid blind problem solving. Most of the students are practicing number of problems and without having proper conceptual clarity. They do practice number of sums, number of problems without a proper conceptual clarity. That is not at all advisable. That is not at all advisable. Here I am giving two sentences here. Solving lots of problems without understanding the concepts will confuse the students. Definitely. Without having conceptual knowledge, if you practice a number of problems, that will leads to lot of confusion. And second point also there, solving lots of problems will not give you greater conceptual clarity. So some students think if you practice number of problems, we get more and more conceptual clarity. That is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. That is wrong. So practicing number of problems without having conceptual clarity is blind problem solving. It is definitely blind problem solving. Okay, so here I will give you some suggestions how to approach the problems in the next page. Okay, let us go to next one. Yeah. See, why do some students get less marks in physics? So, yeah, here I am going with preparation methods now. This is also very useful to the students. Yeah, most of the students, more than 50% of the students do not have any method of preparation. You also agree with me. 50% of the students do not have any method of preparation. Some students, 30% of the students have, they start their preparation. They start their preparation with a method and suddenly abandon it. They drop it in the middle. Suppose they are following a method and they get less marks in weekend examination. Immediately they change the method of preparation. That is also wrong. They change methods of preparation very frequently. So that is not advisable. Only 10 to 20% of students will have definite method of preparation. So this is a big drawback to any student. Okay, so first, there is no consistency in the preparation. So what we have to do? I will give you, I will tell you. Yeah, what to do? See, very first point, very important point. There is no golden method which is suitable for all. And suppose some X is following some method and getting less marks. And by seeing the X, Y also follow the same method. But he may not get good marks. Because method suitable for X, that is according to his capabilities, his strengths, which may not be suitable for Y. So, firstly, that is mentioned. There is no golden method which is suitable for all. Evolve a method of preparation. You have to evolve a method of preparation, taking your strengths, weaknesses, and skills into account. That is very important point. Second point is very important point. There is no a single path for the success. There is no a single path for the success. We have various paths, but you can reach the destination in various paths. There is no a definite success formula. We have many success formulas. Okay, so no method, a single method. There is no a single method. You can evolve a method. You evolve a method of preparation by taking your strengths, weaknesses, and you may you may be weak in physics, and you may be strong in biology, or some students strong in physics, weak in biology. So their method of preparation definitely will be different, no? They'll be different. They have to spend more time on physics, and some students has to spend more time on physics. Some students has to spend more time on biology. Some students easily remember the memory points. Some students easily approach with application methods. So it is not same for all. So what my advice is, evolve a method of preparation first, and strictly sticks to it. And your weekend marks should not change that method of preparation. Your weekend marks should not change that method of preparation. Follow, first develop a method, evolve a method. So strictly sticks to it. That is my advice. Okay, so identify your weak areas and first get the clear idea on concepts. First, you have to get the clear idea on concepts. Problematic part also important, but what I have told, blind problem solving will bring you to the confusion state. So first, get the clear idea on the concepts. While reading the formula, you should know the theory behind that formula. While reading the formula, you should know the theory behind that formula. Suppose you are reading the formula, fundamental frequency of a string 1 by 2L into root T by mu. You should know basic concept behind it. It belongs to string. It belongs to transverse waves in string. It belongs to fundamental mode of string. So you should know that basic idea. Not that, don't simply mug up the formula. Okay.